Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be showing you how to relink your files in Final Cut. The latest version of Final Cut, which is running off 14.6.1 Sonoma, seems to unlink files. So it's normal when you move files, right? They'll naturally need to be relinked and you'll see a red screen of death, I call it, that's telling you, please, we can't move forward because we don't have your files. And it's been happening without actually having to move the files with the latest version of the iOS on the Macintosh, which is 14.6.1. But if you're running Final Cut, I actually updated Final Cut to 10.8.1, and I've been having that issue. And so this is for those that are having the issue where you just take a break from the project and then you come back to it, and then all of a sudden the files, which are actually on your drive, right, have disappeared from the linking process. The files are still on your hard drive, but apparently they're not relinked. And then when you try to relink them, you can't link them because you get some sort of weird error. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to show you how to fix this. It's really fast. Okay, so basically what you want to do is relink the files. So as you can see, sometimes it works this way if I select it like that, and sometimes it doesn't. So first I'm going to select it here like that, and then we're going to go here, relink media files. Right, I changed the name to it, but that's what it's looking for. Locate, and now I'm going to, it's inside the main scratch disk, and there it is, 0166 and 0166. We're going to choose it, and if all goes well, I guess you select it right there, and relink files. And see, it's not working. Oh, it did work. If sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't work, let's see what else is missing. Let's zoom out. If it doesn't work, if you ever get that error, what you would do is you can select right here inside this little project thingy and get it to work that way. So you would just do this. You would just go here and then relink original files. In this case, it's looking for some of the sound effects and the hit paw screen. So in this particular case, we'll just do, actually just double check if it is there, hit paw, locate selected, and we'll go into movies, and then inside the movies, inside the hit paw screen recorder, there it is, and choose it. Okay, and that's one way. So now another way to do it if it doesn't work, right, is if you scroll down, okay, click cancel, and look for, see, right here where it's red, okay, and then we're looking for 0521, okay, so you go there and then you select it from here if it doesn't work the other way. These are just the multiple options of getting it to work, because one way it does and one way it doesn't. Okay, so knowing that, moving forward, so we selected it here, and then we're just going to go into relink, see, relink files, original media, see, 0521, and then we go to locate. In this case, this is not in this particular folder. It's going to be in this one, the main scratch disk, and then we'll go here, and then we're looking for the DJI file. So of course, then just look for the 0521. See, right there. All right, and then right here, it should, see, and now you get that error. So if you get, actually, let's make a nice little thumbnail. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of that. Did it work? Whoops. Let's see, Control-Shift-3, Control-Shift-4. Just take this like that. This will be the new thumbnail. Okay. Knowing that, moving forward, see, it didn't work like that. So as you saw, it worked the other way, but it didn't work this way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click cancel and then scroll back up, right? And now, since that way didn't work, even though it did before, now we're just going to go here, relink original media, and we'll go to missing, and nothing's missing. So in this particular case, we are screwed. Let's see, locate selected. I don't know why it's looking for that one. considering we just, you know, we found it. And then we'll go here and go there and then choose. Okay, so that only worked for that particular file, right? And then we'll go here, relink. And you see we got a spinning beach ball. And hopefully we don't have to do a force quit. Nope, we don't. So you see, this one we selected it, but looks like it helped relink everything. So sometimes one missing link, I'll just lower the volume here so that when we scrub through it, nothing happens. One missing link relinks everything else, but as you can see, some are missing, but this could be an old previous cache, as you can see. And the only way to tell that is to play the video. And if it's playing back too slow, just go here.
I believe on the 9th flash,
proxy preferred,
right?
I'll just
Or 8th.
have it. See,
I believe
playing
on the
that time, lower
9th
that,
flash, right? Or
like that.
8th.
And just scrub through the whole thing to make sure it actually took. And if it took, you're golden. And as you can see, something.
Hey there, welcome back, guys. In this video,
Doesn't. Let's see what we have here. Which one is that one looking for? Modified. Yeah. So as you can see, that's pretty much it. So, you know, you have to play with it a little bit. But as you can see, remember, sometimes clicking here and finding the source file works. And another time, clicking there, finding the source file works and actually resyncs everything. And then also sometimes clicking on the file itself actually works too. So it's just sort of like a crapshoot, but at least now you know the different variables that you might have to go through to get the files to resync after you have either moved the files to a different folder, or sometimes after a reboot or crash, this will happen too. All right, that's pretty much it.
kind of neat, huh? So remember, this is a new issue. I've never had this problem before, and you know, as you can see, even if files are where they need to be, or were where they were, they just somehow you'll get this experience with the latest update to the iOS. And like they say, welcome back to everything that glitches. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope that this video helped you and better able to understand and how you can fix this, and hopefully it does work for you. Let us know how it goes in the comments down below. And if you have any comments or questions, please do leave them down below too, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.